Yes, you can do small cleaning tasks while you shower to cut down on future scrubbing. Spend a few minutes at the end of your shower doing targeted maintenance that keeps soap scum and hard water buildup from becoming big jobs later. Use a small squeegee on tile and glass while the surfaces are still wet to remove most water and loosened residue. Then rinse the squeegee after each pass. Keep a spray bottle with a ready mix of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water in the bathroom and mist tile and glass quickly as you finish. The vinegar will neutralize mineral deposits and soap film, and you can either leave it to sit or rinse it off with warm water. Wring out a microfiber cloth and swipe down fixtures and counters to pick up stray hair and soap drops. Microfiber traps grime without scratching finishes. For grout lines that start to darken, carry a small toothbrush and apply a paste of baking soda and water in a thin line, scrub briefly, then rinse. Doing this weekly prevents deep staining. Store these simple tools within reach of the shower so the extra steps take less than 2 minutes and become routine. Common problems are skipping the wipe, so residue dries and becomes harder to remove, so make the squeegee a named habit like turning off the water. Another issue is using cleaners that leave streaks or damage sealants, so stick to diluted white vinegar for mineral buildup and plain water for rinsing, avoiding abrasive powders on delicate finishes. People often forget to tidy hair and soap containers after showering, which invites mold and clutter. So take one final pass to consolidate bottles and toss hair into a small bin. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects to help match needs and skills, and we also offer a discussion community where members share tips like these and ask questions. We make it easier for contractors to find work by posting opportunities and letting them join conversations with homeowners who need help.